This dish is perfect for a quick and flavorful weeknight meal. The rice vermicelli shrimp scampi is cooked to perfection. You have to try it.
Hello friends. Today I'm going to make rice vermicelli shrimp scampi. To start with, we need to boil some water and soak the rice vermicelli for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we drain the water. Cover with a plate and set aside. For about 250 grams of shrimps, we add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and 4 teaspoons of water and mix properly. You can use translated captions to translate English into your language. And set aside for 10 minutes. For the spices, add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil or rice vinegar instead. Add 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. A pinch of chili pepper. A pinch of black pepper. A pinch of chili flakes. A pinch of hot paprika, and a pinch of salt, and mix them together. The amount of spices could be more or less. That's depending on your own taste. Add 1 tablespoon of water and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And again, mix them all together very well. Chop 1 piece of onion. Chop 5 cloves of garlic. Chop 1 piece of green onion. This chopped green onion, along with the chopped parsley, can be added to garnish the topping. Slice 2 small pieces of carrots. Now, for the bell peppers, I use the mandolin vegetable slicer. Slice about half of each bell pepper, as in the video. If you have the knife skill, there's no need to use the mandolin slicer. Cut each lot into half. Combine and mix them all together. Put some olive oil in frying pan on medium heat. Stir fry the shrimps for 2 minutes on each side, or until they become pink. Be careful not to overcook the shrimp as they would be tough and chewy. Set aside once they become ready. Put some olive oil in the frying pan on medium-high heat. Then add the chopped garlic, as well as the chopped onions. After 2 minutes, add the chopped vegetables. Sauté for a couple of minutes. Melt about 3 tablespoons of butter on medium heat. The rice vermicelli should be loosened and not sticky. Gradually, add smaller portions to the frying pan. The addition of butter adds a richness and depth of flavor to the rice vermicelli, making it even more delicious. Wait for 1 minute before adding the spices mixture. Pour the spices mixture over the rice vermicelli. The spices dance and swirl in the pan, coating the rice vermicelli in their warm flavors. Do not stir, but use the tongue for flipping the rice to absorb the flavor. Then, add the cooked shrimps and pour over the rest of the squeezed lemon. Finally, add the sautéed vegetables. Use the tongue for mixing and flipping. Some people call this recipe Singapore noodles, but I call it rice vermicelli shrimp scampi. Singapore noodles are a stir-fried noodle dish that is popular in many parts of the world. However, despite their name, Singapore noodles did not originate in Singapore. They were actually created in Hong Kong in the 1950s or 1960s. Garnish with chopped parsley and cherry tomatoes. Mix together and serve. Enjoy it. Thanks for watching. I would appreciate it so much if you could subscribe to my channel.